Hello everybody, it is Mr. Modern Financials here coming at you with another video. In this video, I'm going to go over 3 apps that you can use to make money for doing literally nothing or very close to nothing. Now, some of these apps are on iOS and Android, and some of them are on just Android, but make sure you watch the whole video because at least one of these apps will be able to work for you. So make sure you stay tuned until the end, and also make sure you hit that like and subscribe button if you're interested in making money online, passive income, paid surveys, e-commerce, drop shipping, anything along those lines. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and leave a like so the YouTube algorithm notifies you whenever I put out new money making videos. So starting off, we have Lifecoin. Lifecoin is an app that essentially you install. It's on iOS and it is on Android, and you could redeem it for PayPal gift cards, for iPhones, Amazon gift cards, iTunes gift cards. Most of you are probably interested in the PayPal gift cards. That's just what my analytics say. Everyone wants those PayPal gift cards. Everyone wants that PayPal money. But what do you have to do? Well, not really anything. All you got to do is install the app and it'll track how much you walk. That's right, it'll track how much you walk. Now, how much do you walk in a day? That's going to depend on you, how active of a lifestyle you live, but most people are walking at least a little bit every day. So literally just having this app, you could earn money every single day towards that PayPal gift card just by having it installed. You don't really have to do anything extra because even if you're walking a little bit, you're already doing it anyways. You might as well make some money from it, right? So again, iPhone X, PayPal, drones, Amazon, AirPods, iTunes, some Bare Minerals complexion, and then there's the Apple Watch, redeem for amazing gifts, turn daily walks into mining sessions, collect life coins with every GPS confirmed step. The more steps you take, the more you earn. Become an ambassador for life. Want to spread the joy and wellness of rewards, and sign up to our ambassador program and earn even more. So very, very interesting here. All you got to do is really download the app on iOS and on Android, and you could start earning money. So very, very good. Moving on to Smart App. Smart App is basically an app that you download and do absolutely nothing with. It essentially pays you for your data. Now, it depends on where you stand on the whole data issue. Some people are very, very concerned about their data getting out because they don't want intrusive advertisements, and I completely understand that. But if you don't really care too much about that, if your attitude is kind of like, hey, if they're going to show me an ad anyways, I might as well want it to be an ad of something I'd be interested in, then this might be the app for you, because this one is it's only on Android. Okay, it's only on Android for right now. It might be on iOS eventually, but for right now, it's only on Android. And essentially what they do is you download the app and they basically just give your data to advertisers for, in their advertising network, and they pay you for that. You could earn a couple $100 extra every year just by having the app downloaded on your device. You don't have to do anything, okay? We don't have to do anything with the app. It just automatically goes, and that's really it. Now, the research that I collected in the Smart App Research Study is used to help your favorite apps, websites, and technology companies improve their services. We will not share any personal or protected information such as credit cards or passwords with third parties. This is them saying basically that they're not a scam. They're not going to give your personal data away. They're going to be giving away your general data, like your browsing history. If you're browsing for a new car, you're probably going to get some ads from a new car company, things like that. Now they do surveys and giveaways and things like that, but that's all extra on top of it. The main thing is you download the app on your Android phone, you leave it in the background, and you could earn some extra money every single week by having it just downloaded, and you don't have to do a single thing. So really cool. Next up, guys, is Slidejoy. Now, this one is also only for Android, okay? It's only for Android, but this one's really cool. What they do, essentially, is they put advertisements on your lock screen. So whenever you grab your phone and you go to unlock it, right? They put advertisements on the lock screen, and you get paid for that. Now, this can be a really cool source of income for doing absolutely nothing, simply because you're unlocking your phone anyways, right? You're not really doing anything extra. That's the point of this video. Nothing in this video you have to go out of your way to do. These are all things you're doing anyways, so you might as well make some money from it, all right? So you're unlocking your phone probably 15, 20 times a day anyways, if not even more. You might as well make some money from it, right? That's the way I look at it, and that's what Slidejoy basically tries to do. Now, you're not going to get rich off it, but you could definitely make some extra money every single week to pay some bills and things like that. This app has almost 5 stars, so really, really nice. Not too bad. Actually, no, it has 4.5. Yeah, it has 4.5 stars, so pretty pretty good. And it has almost 100,000 downloads, so not too bad there, guys. Something to consider. Not all the reviews are positive. There are some people saying it doesn't pay enough, and that you're gonna have people like that all the time. But overall, I think this is a decent app that deserved to make the list because you don't have to do anything extra. It's just extra money in your pocket. Guys, if you enjoyed the video, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, share. And once again, I'm not sure if I mentioned this, but if you want to get a free stock valued between $1 and like $200, click my Robinhood referral link in the description. You click that link, you sign up, and you get a free stock which you could sell, hold, do whatever you want with, roll it over into your 401k. I don't know what you want to do with it, but basically you get a free stock valued between $1 and like $200. Check it out, link in the description. I'll catch you next time, and as always, have a great day.